subscribe for me, because as soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going skydiving for you guys. And you can follow me on Instagram over here at Crafty Novel Week. And today, I'm really excited because I'm showing you some of my go-to hairstyles from when I'm feeling ugly. I don't wear makeup every day, so days where I just feel like I need a little something to my appearance because I'm not feeling super self-confident, there's a few go-to hairstyles that I feel like always make me look confident and like look better. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. I'm super excited about it. And actually this is the first hairstyle. This is something that I find super important. So there's two things about this. Number one, I tried to do a like blowout after I shower every time because it like makes me feel so much better because my hair is poofier and it's got like a slight wave to it. And the trick is that I use Velcro rollers in my hair to make it look like this. But yeah, that's something I definitely recommend. I think I have footage of me doing this that I can pop up here. But yeah, definitely I do a blowout as often as I can because it's really easy, and then like it still looks good the day after as well. And that's just something that boosts my confidence, is having my hair done. And then the second thing is that I braid my hair before I go to bed every night, so it's got a slight wave to it. That's another thing that helps me feel like good and confident in my hair. But also it makes it so much easier to style hairstyles because I don't have to curl my hair really often because it's already like got some waves in it, or it's kind of like this, I don't know, with like a little bit of shape. So if I don't have to use curlers, I won't, because I will braid my hair instead. So those are the two first tips that I have for you guys that will boost your confidence like every day and that are pretty easy to keep up with. For the first hairstyle, you want to take it back from your eyebrow level. You're going to want to go ahead and take some elastics to it and tie it up on both sides. You can leave it like this if you want to, or you can go ahead and take some accessories like I'm doing here. I have these little flower barrettes that I'm putting in. Or you can put some hair beads in, like these gold ones that I have. And these just make it so cute. I love this hairstyle and I wear it all the time. And now you're going to go ahead and take that same style, but you're going to add more elastics to the hair in different sections. And then you're going to pull it out to make these little bubble braids. And you're going to do this to the other side as well, making as many bubbles as you want. This is another one of my favorites. This is just so cute. It's kind of funky. I love it. And you can leave it like that. Or again, add some accessories like the little flower clips that I have or the little beads. Now for this next hairstyle, you're going to want to go ahead and part it down the middle. And I went ahead and I tied one into a pigtail so it's out of the way. And then you're going to go ahead and section it off and begin a Dutch braid. Then I go ahead and I pull on the braid, just kind of make it puffier, more voluminous, and I don't know, I really think it makes it look better when you pull the braids out a little. For this next hairstyle, you're going to go ahead and section off from the eyebrows again, and I just twist the hair and put it towards the top of my head and secure it with one of my favorite clips. This one is something that I wear around the house all the time. I usually wear this when I'm cleaning or when I'm about to go out. Now today I am doing a giveaway of all of the beads and the barrettes that you saw in this video, the cute little flower ones, and then this whole bead kit for your hair. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe, hit that notification bell, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, then go ahead and follow my Instagram at Crafty Novel Geek and comment your favorite hairstyle from this video on this photo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe. As soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going skydiving for you guys. And you can follow me on Instagram over here at Crafty Novel Geek. And remember that self-love is half learned and half earned. So make sure to learn to love yourself from the tip of your nose to the tip of your toes. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!